this is smooth, it's creamy, and this is so satisfying, you guys, and it's very, very simple to make. Hello everyone, I am Deborah. Welcome, you guys. So as a part of my reduced fat, no carb, and higher protein diet, I have decided to incorporate some protein shakes. And today I am going to show you how to make a delicious, creamy, peanut butter chocolate protein shake. That's going to be easy, you guys, and so delicious. So if you want to learn how, stay with me and I'll show you how coming up next. All right, welcome back, you guys. So some of the key ingredients that are going to help keep the fat content of this protein shake down are, this is frozen zucchini, you guys, and I promise you the flavor will just disappear in this protein shake, but I use this in order to make this shake a lot creamier. So I've got about 6 slices of this, and also too, guys, low in carbs and no fat. So I've got this. Another thing that's going to keep that fat content down is going to be this powdered peanut butter, all right? And then I've got this unsweetened special dark cacao, and that will also help to keep the fat content down in this smoothie. And then of course, can't do without this, and this is this unsweetened almond milk. So having said that, you guys, let's go ahead and put this together. And of course, all the ingredients will be on the screen. Here we have the protein powder, some sweetener, this peanut butter powder, the cacao powder, extra dark, and then we have this frozen zucchini. Okay, and lastly, I've got some ice. Need my lid. And we're going to blend it. And just that fast, you guys, we have ourselves a delicious, creamy, rich in protein. Look at that. Smoothie. All right, everyone. Nothing left to do but to go ahead and give this a taste. Lord, I thank you. Absolutely delicious is this. This is everything that I needed it to be. The flavor is rich, this is smooth, it's creamy, and this is so satisfying, you guys, and it's very, very simple to make. So, you know, you come home from work and if you're really, really hungry, or midday you're really, really hungry, a lot of times, you know, when we get those hunger pains, we go reaching for something that we should not be eating. But with this, because it's so fast and it's so satisfying, you put this together and you are good to go. You guys are going to thank me for this. So Please do give this video a thumbs up. Please do share, and please do leave your comments below and let everyone know just how much you love it. And while you're at it, please subscribe to my channel. Would love to have you along for my journey. Remember, you guys, to remain safe, healthy, and encouraged. And it is a great day. You make it your own kind of special. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries. And I will see you all real soon on my next Fit Fab 50. Thanks again, you guys.